to know how to make this 3D caster wheel, yeah, you can see my another video. I have already explained in that video. So first, this part we have to save into HTML file format. So click here, then click on export, then here you can see for file format is HTML, and then click on OK. So our file is saved here, you can see. So this HTML file we will open in Cura software. Cura software nothing but is a slicing software that is divided our part into layer by layer. This is Cura software, you can see. We can set here all parameter regarding 3D experience, 3D printer. So here the timing, this is a printing time that will take to print. So here 12 hour 31 minute it will take to print. So this is our parameters that we have to set before the printing. So first one is layer height. So layer height is the thickness of each printed layer. In this design, you can see 170 layers are there. So layer of height is one thickness of one layer. So here total 170 layers. Next is cell thickness. So cell thickness, cell thickness, cell thickness is the uh, thickness of outer walls. Yeah, this red color shows the thickness of outer walls. So more thickness of outer walls gives more good surface finish and enhance more durability, and also it gives good quality. Next is bottom and top thickness. You can see this is the bottom thickness. So this will this will here we give 0.4 mm bottom and 0.4 mm top thickness. This one. Next is fill density. Here we will not give 100% density because it will take more time. You can say if we change 60 to 100, you can see here printing time will increase. Here you can see 18 hours. It will take 18 hours. So for reducing time, we give here 60% fill density. Next one is printer speed. This is nothing but the movement of our nozzle, how nozzle moves. If we give higher speed, then print time will reduce, but the surface quality will decrease. You can see here, if we increase this, if we give 60, printing time will decrease. Here searching, you can see here printing time decrease 3 hours. Means here 9 hours it will take to print. So next one is our printing temperature. This is the our nozzle temperature for PLA material. In this 3D printer, we use PLA material, polylactic acid. So melting point of that material average to 10. Next one is our bed temperature. We can set our bed temperature 50. If we will not give bed temperature, then our component will not stable on the machine bed. So for stability, we can give the bed temperature. Next is support. Support is we will give support to the design. If we will not give support, then our if any component will hang in air, that it will not print. So this is the temporary support that will remove after the printing. Second is platform adhesion. This is the first layer of the printing. You can see here green layer. This is the our brim. This is first layer of printing. This is also called foundation. Our 3D part will print. Adhesion is different types like raft, and if we give here none, this is a skirt. And filament, the diameter of filament, here we use 1.75 diameter. The diameter of filament on coil is 175, and we give flow rate 100%, and the nozzle size of nozzle is 0.4 mm. So here we all set the data regarding printing. Here we change print speed 40. 40 is average printing speed. It will give good surface finish. So we all set parameters regarding our printing. So it will take for 12 hour 45 minutes to print. So after setting parameters, click on file, then generate G code for printing. So click on save G code, and then give here name, and give G code, and save it. So this is our G code that is generated in Cura software. First open it. This is our G code. So this G code copy in a SD card. Then we can go for our printing. So let's go to the 3D printer, and there we will see how 3D printer works. How we guys, we copy that G code in this SD card. Then we uh, put this SD card here in the 3D printer. And first we have to do a machine setup 3D printer. So here we have to give bed temperature and nozzle temperature. So we already give here bed temperature 50, then nozzle temperature already give to 210. So this is our machining parameter that we have to save in the 3D printer. So back, and click on print. Here our file that we are going to print, tester wheel. Then click on confirm. So it will take some time. Here you can see the now nozzle temperature is 75. It will come up to 210, then printing will start. Here at 96101, it will come up to 210, then only our machining printing will start. So wait for our temperature maintain. So you can see here temperature is above 210. It will not above 210, it will maintain 210. You can see how the machine bed is moving. So now our printing is start. It will take 13 hours. You see the top view of 3D printer, how nozzle move. So guys, our printing is start and it will take about 13 hours. So we can see after 13 hours how printing is done. So finally guys, after 12 hours, our printing is done. So we remove the our workpiece. First we have to down the Z axis manually. So by the help of this, we can remove the object. So guys, this is our printed object. This is caster wheel. So first we have to done the post processing work. First we have to remove the this type of the outer layer.